Welcome back. I'm Chef Dono. On behalf of ExpertVillage, thank you for stopping by. We're putting the finishing touches on our seafood Newburg. We have our seafood seared off. We have our Newburg sauce reducing with the herbs, very flavorful. We just cooked a blonde roux. We're going to add the roux to the Newburg sauce, tighten it up, add the seafood back, fold it together, serve it over saffron rice. It's a beautiful thing. So, let's finish this up. Add the roux to the sauce. Now don't add all the roux at once because it might take a minute for the thickening to take effect. So don't be over eager or you'll end up with paste. Now this is looking good. Now this is a little thicker than the sauce will be when we are finished, but when we pour the seafood back into here, there's also liquid you can see on the bottom of the plate, so that's going to thin down a bit. I'm going to turn the heat off because this is done cooking. Now let's have a taste. A little bit of salt. Little salt, and I think we're there. Got that in there. And maybe a lemon. Why not? A little more lemon. Stir that in. Ooh, hot pan. Remove the whip. You don't want to mix it with a whip after you add the seafood, otherwise you'll break the seafood. You don't want to do that. There we go. We'll fold it together. Now that's looking good. We're going to let it hold for just a minute, then we'll be ready for service. Beautiful. Okay, let's plate this up and have a taste.